Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the purchase order version's Auto module by 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 While working on a purchase order, you may need to revise it many times. This module enables you to make changes in the same order by creating revision numbers of the original purchase order to handle such situations. The Purchase Order Versions module enables you to keep track of the revisions made to purchase orders. With the help of this feature, you can determine the number of times the order had changed. The Purchase Order Versions module also allows the user to modify purchase orders through order revisions, so we will demonstrate the use of this function. Let's get started with our demo. From the main menu, click on the Purchase module. We will create a new RFQ. First, select the vendor. Then select the product. Enter the quantity and the price. And then save. We can notice here the version field. Now, we'll confirm and approve the PO. Here, we can see the Smart button of versions appeared. Now from the Action button, we'll click on Create a new version. A pop-up wizard will show up. The original version number and then the new version's title, which is editable, that allows me to change it as required. As you can see, the two checkboxes here, in case there is a PR link to the PO, we will be able to reset it to draft as well as the PO. Then you click on Create New Version. We will click on the Smart button to view the PO version or print it. Here we have the print option. We have my purchase order and we will assume that we made a mistake in the quantity, which we'll need to fix it. We can add a product if needed. We can change the quantity as we said if we had a mistake in the entry. Then save it. You are free to create as much versions as needed. So this is how simple it works. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the Purchase Order Versions module developed by 𝑽𝒆𝒄𝒂𝒂𝒃. We hope this video has given you a clear vision of how the module works and how it can help ease your process in purchase orders. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of 𝑽𝒆𝒄𝒂𝒃's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.